wind. I guess I can go either way.
Which way you want to go? Pilot's choice. Runway 1 is clear. What you need when you're ready.
I don't know what I need yet. I'm trying to figure it out.
Whoop, need a lot of up.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Straight and true?
Not really.
So it's climbing now, don't it?
There we go. I think that's got it. That looks and sounds a lot better.
That's good. Yeah, that's smoke. That's the thing I miss about gas.
Need to crank it up a little bit.
Well, it's late in the day. It'll be a lot more visible with it. Bright sunshine, but they also overcast. They put down a pretty good screen.
I don't have it full throttle either. That's where it kicks on the most. It worked.
Flies good, works good.
Slow roll rate on low rates. I can't fly these big Decathlons hardly on anything but low rate. I've got a little OMP it's wicked. I do stuff with it that I won't do with this one.
It sounds good.
All right, I'll see if I can get it to land here in a minute. Land it here next go around. Double check everything.
30 seconds.
Really don't know which way I want to come in. I think I want to come in from the right. I like landing from the right better, especially this plane.
I like landing from whichever end of the runway I'm standing on.
That does make a difference.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Racy.
Beautiful.
Whoa.
Oh.